this video, we make the C10 Mini Bike look like the C10.
Alright, what's up guys? So we literally just got done assembling this with all the white walls and stuff, and it's looking so much like the C10 already. In this video, what we need to do is we need to make it look more like the C10 as far as just character. We definitely want to add some Sinclair themed details. We definitely want to add some nice patina here, of course. And then also we have some pretty cool ideas as far as making a seat that kind of matches the houndstooth and black look here. That's really what we're going with, is we're just trying to make this bike as authentic as possible, make it look like the C10. So we've got a lot of work to do. I'm really excited for this video, so let's just get right into it.
So the first thing we're gonna do is just wet sand it with this 400 grit. Get rid of some of the shine that's on it. And then we'll go ahead and do some more sanding to give it some more patina.
Joe's gonna kind of just be in the ring effect around there, kind of like to replicate if you're unscrewing, you know, gas cap and stuff. It's gonna look pretty cool. I think we're gonna want to try to like lengthen out these a little bit, kind of just make it seem like as if, you know, as if you're sitting in it and your knees are hitting and stuff like that. Nice little progress update. Dang, so see, like stuff like that, that's what we're really liking. So on this side we're gonna definitely try to replicate it, but we made some big marks on it. We don't want to go overkill because I mean the C10 isn't completely rusted.
Into the wet.
The, what's it called?
Into the garden.
The incubator.
Yeah. I don't know if that's the right. We'll go. Just watering them.
Water them. All right, so let me see if I can focus on some stuff, but it rusted all right. Kind of wanted to speed up the process, so we got some vinegar. We're gonna kind of wipe her down with it. It's about to rain too, so let's leave them outside.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is make the seat look like the C10 seat. So I mean, it's got the really cool orange and black houndstooth. Okay, so I mean, I just took the seat apart, got the foam, which is actually in super nice condition. Okay, so I'm just at my house using my phone to record. I'm using this super old Singer sewing machine to upholster the seat. So I already did kind of the first stitch. I was just trying to figure out how to use the sewing machine and like what to do. So I kind of forgot to record. But we still have this other piece right here that needs to go in the front. But I mean, right now it's like really looking good. I mean, when it's pulled tight, everything's actually really even, and this thing's really gonna look just like the C10.
We added some salt here. So that's rusting up very nicely. And I thought we'd give you a little bit of a look of how the seats. Here it is, all done. Just absolutely gorgeous. Got the buttons here. I mean, and come over to the truck. It stayed very true to form. Just getting all the stickers. It's kind of difficult because it curves this way as well as this way, so keeping bubbles out of it are kind of tough. We're also gonna try to do some lettering up here. But how's it feeling, Joe?
It's kind of difficult, but I think we get it.
We might have to have a couple creases like right at the bottom of the S there, just to make it fit. It's gonna look awesome.
One side is done. Now time for the second side. Just gonna really scientifically line these two stickers up with each other.
Yeah. There's a heat gun that really made the other sticker kind of go down. Right?
Yeah. Also a little bit lower on the tank than I originally did. So that should be good.
Sticker tuning. I like how it's like not on the rust spot.
It'll probably help it stick better.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're going all out on the stickers here, boys.
Yeah.
eBay is able to operate for another month only on our sticker purchases. Okay, that's okay.
Oh, we're good.
We're gonna peel that back up and go a little slower. It's hard. All these stickers are so intricate. Oh yeah, there we go.
That's incredible.
We're gonna have to fix it. That's done. Came out good.
Yeah, in case you forgot, this is what the engine looks like. So it's all decked out to look like the C10 too. So it's gonna look good.
Oh yeah. Hey, this little red color kind of matches the red on the dash.
Oh!
Alright, we got this big Sinclair sticker. We're gonna cut out the dyno, put on the back fender. We're gonna cut out this shield. See what we're gonna do with that. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out.
And that will match how the C10 on the back bed. It's got the little dyno. So
Impossible to get on like the other ones. Okay, that's actually not that bad.
That looks sick.
We can, you know, knead out the bubbles.
Still very creepy.
Are you actually filming or what?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, ready?
Dang, would you look at that, Joe?
So, first time hand lettering. I'd say it came out pretty good.
Yeah.
Next thing we're doing is airbrushing American flags and eagles on our hoods.
Yes, sir. CJ's first up.
Alright, ready?
Dang, Joe. You're like... We need to do this more often on karts and stuff.
Yeah. Hot rod plate.
Pinstripe, man, like you know, like the Model A hot rod, you know.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
like the, you know, I can't replicate it with my hand, but you know.
BBR18 is the custom touch. Ooh, look at that 18.
That one is pretty. Hey guys, so everything's all, I mean, this just looks incredible. I mean, that was really the finishing touch. I just can't wait for it to be on the bike. So, I mean, all the rust turned out really good. All we did was just let it sit out. So, now what we'll do is we'll give it some gloss clear coat, mask off that chrome, and it won't be perfectly true to form. It's gonna be a little bit glossier, but just on a mini bike, I think it'll look a lot better if it just has a nice clear, like, shine over everything. I really like this. A little bit better. Because, yeah, see, like, there's no clear coat, that's clear. I can't wait till we do the gas tank, you know?
Oh, I know. Yeah, we definitely have to get the gas tank on camera.
I got stuff. Okay, that looks incredible. Oh man. It's not even that glossy.
Yeah, I like it.
Like, it's probably just as glossy as the C10 itself. Which really makes me happy.
Alright, so the bike's midway through assembly, but we don't want to leave you guys hanging. So we're gonna just start mounting these bad boys up. They look awesome. All the stickers and paint came out great. Just gonna get them on the bike now. Alright, just hand tightening the last bolt on this fender on. Let's get the overall view. There we go.
The white walls are a necessity on this thing.
Definitely. The holy grail. Alright, so we got this vintage crushed bottle opener, just like the ones on the tailgate of the C10.
Yeah, and the dash.
And the dash. And we're gonna mount it right there.
That's sick. This thing just, like, I know the engine's on here and stuff, like this is kind of before the final assembly video, but kind of get the full effect, like we need to assemble this for you guys. But, I mean, I'm not a huge fan of just putting clear coat over rust and stuff, but it really, like you guys saw, it was kind of dull before and kind of a lighter orange after we sanded down the clear coat that was on there before. So we decided to probably, and to protect some of this stuff, it'd be a good idea to clear coat it. All right,
here we go.
Piston's been working on. Fits right down.
Dude, this thing's amazing. Oh my god.
Yeah, I think this is like
The best thing I've ever built.
Yeah. I wouldn't say there's not many like build elements into it. It's mostly just like creative design.
Yeah,
you know. But we did a dang good job. Yeah, that's incredible. Yeah, set her down so we can get a look at it. I mean, I guess you guys already saw the engine build, so.
This side has so much going on.
Yep. Do you need to put on the? We painted the torque converter cover with that little Chevy bow tie right over there. It's white. So that'll kind of make the other side look a little bit. I mean, this is the money shot right here. That Go Power Sports header just right out there. Looks good. Orange Crush. I think as a proper send off for the first drive, we'll pop an Orange Crush on there. Dang, I can't stop looking at this thing. Comment what you think of this Sinclair bike. I think it's like top tier mini bike build as far as just like straight cosmetics.
Okay, so we got this vintage 1968 Iowa license plate. Joe found this thing on eBay, got it shipped here real quick, and I mean, this will just tie it together. This is the exact same one we have on the back of the C10, the original one that came with it, we think.
Alright, well, this is really something else here. We finished this up kind of late last night just because we were super eager to see it all together and done. And I mean, I don't even need to speak for this thing. It just looks so good. I mean, it's one of those things like, you know, like cars at car shows where you like, just like with a ton of character and you keep looking at them and like more cool little things pop up. You know, it's just, it's a lot of character. That's all I can say about this bike. So, we're super happy with the results here. Thank you, Go Power Sports. The whole engine builds from Go Power Sports. I mean, throttle, new brake. I mean, you can get tires for this thing at Go Power Sports. We've just painted the white walls on. I mean, yeah. Thanks for watching. I'm kind of speechless just looking at this thing. Stay tuned. We are driving this thing very, very soon.